Hey guys, I'm going to be giving you a remedy for dark inner thighs. A lot of people have requested for this video, and that is why I'm making this video today. You need two things for getting rid of dark inner thighs. You're going to be using bicarbonate of soda and some natural yogurt or curd. Dark inner thighs are caused by an overproduction of melanin on your skin. So if you have dark inner thighs, don't worry, this will definitely go. That is what gives it the color. It can also be called hyperpigmentation. Another reason why people have dark inner thighs is as a result of chafing, which can occur when you exercise or when you walk. This makes your skin become thin, itchy, and discolored. People that also have some hormonal imbalance like PCOS tend to have dark inner thighs. Exposure to sun, dry skin, friction from tight clothing, diabetes, an obese person, many people like this have dark inner thighs. So don't worry if you are in this, if you fall or if you have dark inner thighs. It's something that a lot of people experience, but today we are going to be discussing the remedies. So you're going to be using your natural yogurt and your baking soda because they have natural bleaching properties in them. These are natural things you can do and which are perfect and safe home remedies for you. So let's just start with taking 1 teaspoon of our yogurt. I'm just going to use this as a test. If you want, you can mix more according to your preference. I'll tell you to mix it according to what you want to use per time. This is not something you should mix and keep in the refrigerator. Just mix a little bit at a time. You'll be taking equal amounts of baking soda as well. Baking soda, not baking powder. You can find baking soda in your local grocery stores, anywhere where you can get baking ingredients like flour, cinnamon, baking powder. You should be able to find baking soda there as well. Baking soda is very popular. And just mix these two together. This is it, guys. So this is not my dark inner thighs, but let's just assume for the sake of showing the sample, this is what you just do. Just rub it gently and massage it into your skin like this using the exfoliation method. So just rub it into your skin like this, massage it properly into your skin, and do this for like 2 minutes. When you are done, leave it for 20 minutes, let it dry there, and you wash it off and apply it like a moisturizer. Apply a lotion or oil after you finish doing this. Sometimes when the area is ashy and dry, this is also another thing that can cause you to have dark inner thighs. So anytime you do this, wash it off after 20 minutes and make sure you apply your moisturizer and go to bed like so. Do this every day until when you start seeing changes, and I am sure by the time you do this consistently, your dark inner thighs will give way to what you eventually want. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later. Stay beautiful. Bye.